we got this situation. If 2021 to the power 3762 is divisible by 17, that the remainder is, so you have to find out the remainder. Now clearly you can see that numerator is bigger than denominator. I'm not talking about the power, I'm talking about this entity. Okay, so numerator is bigger than denominator. So how you should respond? You have to write 2021 as multiple of 17. Okay, means you have to start table of 17 and try to get closer to 2021. So look at this, how we will proceed. So it is 2021 divided by 17. So it is 17 3. Okay, so you know that it is 17 again. So we will have 15, correct? So you know that 17 9 times 153. Yes, so we got -2. So can I write this 2021 as 17 into 119 minus of 2 power 3762 divided by 17, correct or wrong? Now you know that now we will apply binomial concept, means we will expand this bracket. Okay, treat this as A, treat this as B, and you can open this bracket, correct? You also know that the element in which the 17 will exist will be divisible by 17, correct or wrong? And the element in which this 17 element is not there will be the only element which is not divisible by 17 and will produce some remainder. Okay, so the point is, in the last term we will have this element as absent, and that will be 3762 C 3762 minus 2 power 3762, correct, divided by 17. Now you know that 3762 C 3762 is 1. Now minus 2 to the power even means negative number to the power even number will be what? Will be a positive number. This means now the question is converted into 2 power 3762. 3762. Now we have to divide this by 17 and we have to check what will be the remainder. Now if you'll observe this question, now the numerator becomes 2. So the point is, this numerator is smaller than the denominator, correct? So what we will do, we will start table of 2 and try to get closer to 17, correct? So 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 4 16, and 16 is closer to 17, means we want 2 power 4. So now do you think you can separate 4? You can take 4 out of this? No, because this number is not divisible by 4. So what we have to do, we have to make last two digit divisible by 4. So you know that 60 is divisible, not 2. 62 is not there. So can I segregate 2 power 2 into 2 power 3760 by 17? Now can I write 2 power 2 as 4 into, I will take 2 power 4 common, correct? So we will have 940, correct, by 17. Now be super slow. So 2 power 4 is 16, है ना? So can I write 16 as 17 minus 1 power 940 by 17, correct or wrong? Now we will expand this bracket. The element in which 17 will be there, 17 is divisible by the denominator 17. Okay, so it will be present in all the elements except the last. Okay, so in last part we will have what? We will have 940, see 940 minus 1 power 940 divided by 17. Correct? So this means 9c 940c 940 is what? 1, and minus 1 power even is what? 1. So you got this element as 1. So 1 into 4 is 4. है ना? So if you will, so the required remainder is 4. If you will divide 2021 to the power 3762 by 17, you will get remainder as 4. I hope you got the approach. Now look at this. Now we will take help of Fermat-Little theorem. Correct? So in Fermat-Little theorem, you know that you have to divide the number by a prime number. So look at this. 17 is a prime number. So it's okay. Means here Fermat-Little theorem is valid. Okay. So the question was 2021 to the power 3762 divided by 17. So you know that 17 is there. Now what we have to do? We have to write down like this as 2021 power 17 minus 1 form. Correct? Means we have to write 2021 power 16. है ना? So how we will convert that thing? Just observe. Okay? So what we will do? We will divide this thing by 16, and let's take 16 as common. Like in previous concept, you have taken 4 power, no, here. So same way you have to take 16. Okay, so what I will do? 3762 divided by 16. So 2 times 32. Okay, so we will have 5. 3 times 48. Okay, so the point we will get what? 882. Okay, 16 5 times 80. So we got 2. So this means that I can write 2021 to the power 2, because the remainder is 2, and we can write 2 power 2021 power 16 power 235. Just tell me, can I do so? We can do that. Okay. Now the point is, you have to divide this number by 17. So you know that you can write this parameter as 2021 into 2021 into 2021 power 235. Wait, 235 power 16 by 17. So this number will give you remainder as 1 for sure. Now you have to divide 2021 by 17. So you know that if you will divide 2021 by 17, you will get remainder as minus 2. So from here we will get remainder as minus 2. From here we will get remainder as minus 2. From here we will get remainder as 1. So minus 2 into minus 2 into 1 will be 4. So if you will divide 2021 to the power 3762 by 17, we will get remainder as 4. Okay, which we already proved. Okay, so the remainder is 4. I hope you got better understanding about the traditional method using binomial concept, and also you are developing some concept towards Fermat-Little theorem. But the point is, Fermat-Little theorem is only applicable if you are dividing by a prime number. Okay.